Namaste. I was taught to believe that every end marks a new beginning, and truly so. It is always so amazing to start anything new. To kickstart a new beginning is quite a thrill. Welcome, dear children, to yet another eventful year of learning with joy.
नए साल में नई पहल हो, कठिन जिंदगी और सरल हो। जो चलता है वक्त देखकर, आगे जाकर वही सफल है। समय हमारा सदा साथ दे, आगे कुछ ऐसी हलचल हो। अनसुलझी रह गई जो पहेली, उसका भी अब हल हो। नए साल में नई पहल हो। नमस्ते। जीवन में हर कार्य के लिए एक नई शुरुआत की आवश्यकता है। प्रकृति भी हमें लोहड़ी, मकर संक्रांति, पोंगल आदि त्योहारों के माध्यम से उत्सव और उमंग का संदेश देते हैं। आइए इस नए वर्ष का स्वागत उत्साहपूर्वक करें और एक नए परिवर्तन के लिए सदैव तैयार रहें।
This is me. There's nowhere else on earth I'd rather be. Here I am, just me and you. Today we make our dreams come true. It's a new world, it's a new start. It's a life with the beating of young hearts. It's a new day, it's a new plan. I've been waiting for you. Here I am. Oh. उड़ जाए लेके खुशी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी
In India, most of the festivals signify the importance of certain seasons. Today we are here to celebrate the very essence of festivals that start at the beginning of the year, in the mid of January, as in Lohri, Bihu, Pongal and Makar Sankranti. It is the first day in the month of Magh as per the Assamese calendar, when the Magh Bihu or Bhogali Bihu is celebrated in Assam, but the celebration starts a day prior. This harvest festival begins with a prayer for a better harvest for the upcoming year. Dance, music, preparing and feasting on special delicacies are an integral part of this festival.
ওই মাঘৰ বিহু আহিল মইনা মাঘৰ বিহু আহিল মেজিৰ জুয়ু জ্বলিল মইনা মেজিৰ জুয়ু জ্বলিল মাঘৰ বিহু আহিল মইনা মাঘৰ বিহু আহিল মেজিৰ জুয়ো জ্বলিল অসমীয়াৰ মন প্ৰাণ ৰঙে ৰসে ভৰিল মইনা ৰঙে ৰসে ভৰিল অসমীয়াৰ মন প্ৰাণ ৰঙে ৰসে ভৰিল মইনা ৰঙে ৰসে
Largely in UP, Bengal, Gujarat, and some other states of India, Makar Sankranti is celebrated on the 14th of January every year. It is dedicated to the sun, which enters the zodiac sign of Capricorn, called Makar in Hindi. And from this, the name of this festival has been derived.
Pongal is a famous festival of Tamil Nadu and marks the beautiful day of harvesting. It is all about giving, a form of thanksgiving to the entire creation, as that is the power that sustains life. Traditionally, this marks the end of winter and invites the beginning of 6 months of summer. Do you know what is Pongal? The word Pongal means to boil and overflow. The new harvested rice is cooked in milk and jaggery. This pudding is then made to boil and overflow as an offering to the sun. Sun is worshipped as the embodiment of the source of life, without which our existence is not possible.
Pongal corresponds with Makar Sankranti and Uttarayan. It's a 4-day long festival celebrated with great enthusiasm. First day is Bhogi Pongal. On this day, harvest is collected and Pongal is prepared. Thai Pongal is the main day of the festival. It is also known as the Surya Pongal, dedicated to the sun god. Third day of Matu Pongal is cattle-centric. Cows and oxen are offered the pongal. Bullfights known as Jallikattu are organized on this day. Kanam Pongal is the final day of celebrations. Families meet and exchange gifts. Sisters also pray for the well-being of their brothers. Happy Pongal wishes to all.
Lohri, a harvest festival that is celebrated for the termination of winter and beginning of summer in Punjab and Haryana. It is marked by dancing, singing, and bonfire. The word Lohri has been derived from the word Loh, which means iron, and this iron is represented by tawa, a vessel that is used to prepare roti or chapati.
सुंदर मुंदड़िए तेरा कौन बेचारा दुल्ला पट्टी वाला दुल्ले दी ब्याई शेर शक्कर पाई कुड़ी दा सानू काटना सानू कौन समेटे
Harvest festivals are annual celebrations which occur at the time of harvest of food crops of a given region. Our country India is particularly known as the land of festivals all throughout the world, and rightly so. These festivals not only bring people from different backgrounds and ethnicities closer, but also turn the country into a carnival, always offering something new to its people. India, being an agrarian country, has given it its true essence, and to celebrate this essence with joy, these festivals are observed. They are a way of thanking nature for its bounties. They indicate that winter is drawing to close and it is time to reap the harvest and celebrate and entertain. So let us all pray for a good harvest and a great year ahead.